How to add any website as a favorite in your Safari. So right here, you want to open your Safari right here at the bottom left of your screen. And then right here on favorites, it was all of my favorite website. And then to edit, you just want to visit your website. For example, I want to make YouTube as the favorites. So after I open my YouTube on your keyboard, you can just click on Command and D at the same time. Command and D. And it will appear like here. And then you can also rename your website, just YouTube, and then click on Add. So if I open again the favorites, the YouTube will edit right here. Or the second way to do it is you want to go to bookmarks right here at the top of your screen, and then click on Add Bookmark. And then on this Add This Page To, you want to make sure you choose on favorites. Or you can also do it by clicking on this share button at the top right of your screen, and then again click on Add to Bookmark. There you go. And then right here on the favorites, you can also drag anything by hold and drag it. For example, I want to make it at the first one, and then to delete it, you can just do a right click and then tap on delete. And if you want to make it disappear, these favorites, from the start page, you want to go to your bottom right of your screen, click on the settings, and then uncheck on favorites. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.